Welcome to the latest update program. The topic of discussion is International Day of Persons with Disabilities. International Day of Persons with Disabilities is observed on 3rd December. PM Shri Narendra Modi has lauded fortitude and accomplishments of our Divyang sisters and brothers on the day. The annual observance of the International Day of Persons with Disabilities was proclaimed in 1992 by the United Nations General Assembly. The observance aims to promote an understanding of disability issues and mobilize support for the dignity, rights, and well being of persons with disabilities. It also seeks to increase awareness of gains to be derived from the integration of persons with disabilities in every aspect of political, social, and economic life. 2022 theme for the day is Transformative Solutions for Inclusive Development, the role of innovation in fueling an accessible and equitable world. On the line of 2030 Agenda for Sustainable Development to leave no one behind, it is crucial for all stakeholders to find innovative solutions for and with persons with disabilities.